What's up my YT homies, this is Alethea and I am coming back at you with another video. And this video is going to be a haul video. Now let me just go ahead and say I am a bit late with this video, but nonetheless I'm here with it. So if you're interested in seeing what makeup, because this is makeup, what makeup items I have added to my collection, please continue to watch. Alright, so you all know that Ulta had their 21-day beauty event where they have something on sale each day at 50% off from its regular price. Well, with that being said, there were only a few days and a few items that I did want to purchase from them. So I'm going to show you the items that I did purchase during that 21-day sale. The first thing that I did get are two of the Derma Blend translucent powders. These are the banana ones, and when I first got them at the last 21-day event sale, I was a bit iffy about them. I didn't know how I felt about it, because I only had one. I was a bit iffy about it, so I didn't know how I felt about it, but I quickly fell in love with it. So when they had it on sale again, it was a no-brainer that I would go out and catch me one or two of them, and I got two. So that way they'll last me for a while. So the next time they have a 21-day sale, because this seems to be an item that is on the 21-day sale event quite often. So the next time they have a 21-day event sale, I won't have to get one because I'll have these two. Also during the sale, I did get some Urban Decay liners. And actually one of these liners I do believe came from Sephora, because what Sephora does now is if someone is having a sale, they will come in with the sale on the same day, match it, the same thing or what have you. Just like if Too Faced has something on sale for 20% off, Sephora will go in and put the same thing on sale at 20% off or whatever. And that's what they did when it came to the Ulta 21-day sale, which is how I got the Benefit brow pencil. And this is the one that I'm using, and it is in number 4. So I ended up getting, I went on to Ulta's website and I got two of the brow pencils. Because I'm going to be honest, I would never buy the brow pencils at their regular price because they're $24. And so when they were on sale, they were $12. I'm fine with spending $12, but I'm not fine with spending $24. So in the meantime, if they don't have something on sale that I can get it on sale, because this is my first time really trying out this pencil and I do like it, but they do have the Maybelline or L'Oreal pencils that I like. So I would get those because they're comparable to these in my opinion. So anyway, I got the number 4 and that's what I've been using on my eyes, but I also have another number 4, and like I said, Sephora will turn around and have the same thing on sale that Ulta has on sale. And so I went onto Sephora's website the same day I bought these pencils from Ulta, and I decided to order the 3.75 in the pencil. So I don't know, like I like the 3.75 better on my eyebrows because it's not as dark as the number 4, but I can rock with it because the brow gel that I use is a bit lighter, so it keeps it from having that darkness. Because if you've been on my channel for a while and you know me, I don't like dark brows. Dark brows bother me. Black brows bother me. So I also did get, I got two of the pencils, because you all know that I don't do pencil on my waterline all that often, but I do it sometimes. And so I got a Zero in the Urban Decay 24/7 liner, as well as a Demolition. Now Zero is definitely a black, so I'm not going to show you that one, but Demolition is like a dark brown color, and I actually do really like this. When I used to wear a liner on my waterline a lot, I would get Demolition, and so since I don't wear it a whole lot, I wasn't getting the liners. As a matter of fact, let me show you so I can show you the Zero next to it. Okay, so now this is Zero next to it, and this is Demolition. So this one is black and this one is brown. So you can see it's a dark brown, but it's not as dark as the black, of course. So that day when I did order from Sephora, I forgot, I think, well, I ordered those two. I ordered one brown pencil, and I ordered something else from Sephora, but for whatever reason I can't remember what it was right now. But I was able to get the Sephora Play box as a part of my order, and I haven't opened it yet, so I'm going to open this box right now to let you guys see what is in it, as well as let myself see what's in it. So I'm getting text messages, and I'm looking at the time because it's my birthday today. Today is October 13th, and today is my birthday, and it's a Sunday. So I'm getting messages telling me happy birthday, and plus we're getting ready to go out to dinner. So, which brings me to the fact that we did a little shopping yesterday. They took me on a shopping trip, so I'm going to show y'all what I got. But anyway, so when I open up the box, this is how it is. And it looks like there are 50 points. Yeah, there are, it's a Play by Sephora 50 and Beauty Insider points. So let's play. Oh, Sephora Bingo. Real talk, which beauty boxes do you check? So I gotta look at this. Oh, and then on the back it shows everything that's in the box, I guess. So right here and on the front is like a little game. That is so neat. I've never gotten the Sephora Play box. So the first thing that I pull out of here is a Peter Thomas Roth cucumber gel mask. Then, okay, so then here's the bag. And, okay, oh, so it's an IT Cosmetics brow powder. No, brow power. So universal brow pencil. And it's in the color Universal Taupe. So that's the first thing that is in here. And then there is a Makeup Forever Step 1 Base Mattifying Primer. I've tried this in their sample size before. I remember that. And then there's a Dr. Dennis Gross Hyaluronic Marine Do It Right Eye Gel. And then a Glam Glow Good in Bed Passion Fruit Softening Night Cream. And then there is a shampoo and conditioner that I know I won't be using, but it's by some company called Caviar. Never heard of them. So that's what's in this box. Then last week I went to Target. I actually went online and was trying to find, oh, my necklace is messed up. And I was trying to find the Sonia Kashuk Beauty Blender sponges. They're not beauty blenders, but they're blender sponges. And they're like regular for 2 of them is $7. And so I got an email saying that they had them on sale in the store. So this one is messed up, but I'm going to show you. And these things get really big when they're wet. But they had them on sale for $4 and something for 2 of them. So I bought the 2-pack. Here's the other one that's in the pack. It's this difference. This is when it's dry and this is when it's wet. I mean, I'm actually having to get used to using such a big sponge up under my eyes, because I don't use the sponge for my whole face. I use a brush for my whole face, but I use the sponge for under my eyes for my concealer. Well, like I was saying, I was out of my foundation. Well, not out, but I have probably about this much left, but just a little bit of this foundation, and my color is 350. That is my color that matches my face. So I had gotten with the, oh yeah, with the Sephora sale, that's what I bought. I bought a Marc Jacobs foundation that Sephora had on sale for $27.50, which is still on sale because I've seen it on the website, but they had it on sale for $27.50. I bought that foundation. I did not like that foundation, so when I went in to take it back, I went ahead and got a Fenty because I didn't want to lose my Sephora points. So I went ahead and got me another foundation. Well, while I was there, my friend that works at Sephora, she gave me the 20% off friends and family, so I got 20% off of my foundation. But I turned around and I noticed, you know, having this new iPhone camera, it's awesome, bomb.com, but it will tell if something is not right. And when I say if something is not right, my foundation, while it matched my face, it did not match my chest here. And that was kind of bothering me. So I went back to Sephora today and I ended up getting a new Fenty foundation, which is what I'm wearing today, and this one is actually in the number 385, and it's darker than my skin color, but it blends and it fits my neck. So therefore I have stepped into the game of I have stepped into the game of matching my foundation with my neck, and that's what I did, and this matches my neck, and I am loving my foundation application today. I love it any other day because I love Fenty, but I'm really loving it today. So of course, while I was there, I couldn't just stop at, okay, get what you gotta get and get your butt out of here. They had the Fenty Christmas items that were there, and one of the things is this mini body lava, and I got this, and it is in the color, it says, well, not color, I guess the scent color, whatever, Who Needs Clothes. Yes, you look great. It's in the color Who Needs Clothes, and this is what it looks like. And I don't know whether you can see or not, but I do have a little bit of shimmer on my chest because I did put this on my chest area today. Another thing that I did get, and this is part of the holiday collection as well, is a new set with the Bomb Baby. It's Bomb Baby 2, so it has the Bomb Baby gloss, and then it has a highlighter, and I highlighted with this highlighter today, and this highlighter is so, oh my gosh, it's so pretty. It is so awesome, so pretty. I am so glad I got it. it almost has, it's a like light bronze, but the shimmer in it, I mean, let me just swatch it and put it on my hand. That is just so pretty to me. So I had to get this set because, you know, of course, while I'm in there, I'm meddling, being nosy and all that kind of good jazz. And then I ended up getting this. Last thing that I did get today from the Fenty Holiday Collection and the Creative Lady, I don't know whether you noticed or not, but check out these vampy lips. And guess what, girl? I am loving them. Here's a Lil Stunner, Lil Stunner lip paint. I can't get that out. And this is in the color Underdog. And I don't know whether they're going to have it in a larger size or not, but baby, like I said, I'm not a fan of vampy lips per se. This thing is tight. But, of course, the wand is shorter than the regular wand. And then, just look at it on my hand. Okay. Excuse me. The last thing I want to show you guys is the Anastasia by Beverly Hills Norvina Collection Volume 3, which is what I'm wearing on my eyes today. I'm really liking this palette. I actually got this palette with the 20% off as well. I ordered it online and I got the 20% off of it. I didn't know which one of those, the palettes I wanted out of the collection. So yes, a Creative Lady knows I had said I was going to get the first one, but I didn't get the first one. So I did get this one. So let me show you guys what it looks like. And the Creative Lady did a video the other day where she was showing a palette. I can't remember which palette she had, but where it has this cardboard in there to kind of like as an extra layer of protection. This one has it as well, and this is what it looks like. I am really loving the colors, and while I know some people shy away from colors like this during this time of year, baby, I'm not one of those that sticks to quote-unquote traditions, because just like white after Labor Day and all that, if I want to wear some white, I'm gonna wear some white. I don't stick to all that. So sue me if that's what you want to do. I am going to get up out of here. That is the end of this video and this makeup. And let me tell y'all something. Let me say this. Let me just say this before I get out of here. I see a lot of times where I see people post on social media and stuff like that where if they don't wear makeup, they put up their bare face, no makeup, all natural. Okay, oh well, that's on you. Or they'll put up no filter. Baby, they made filters on the phones. So therefore, if I want to use a filter, I'm going to use a filter. I am
Yes, ma'am. Or do you like this one? I think I like the other one better. That looks like it's getting too big for you. The other one is too. Okay, well, you just gonna have to deal with it, honey. Well, the other one look better though. Go put the other one back on. Let me look again.
I just, these interruptions while this production is going on are just ridiculous. Okay, but anyway, so like I was saying, I am unapologetically over 40 something years old. Nah. I bet y'all wanted me to say my age. I bet y'all thought I was going to say my whole age. I'm unapologetically my age. How about that? So if I want to wear makeup, if I want to filter my photos and whatever it is that I want to do, you keep on being all natural if that's what you want to do. But if I want to wear it, I'm going to wear it, and don't comment on what I spend my money on. Okay? Okay. The other one does look better. So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and get out of here so I can go and eat because I am hungry, and I might get me a daiquiri or something, or 2 or 3. No, not 3, maybe 1. So anyway, with that being said, thank you so much for coming to check out another one of my videos. I do appreciate it. Thank you so much to all the new subscribers that have come to check out my videos. I appreciate you as well. And until the next time and in between time, you ladies and gentlemen be safe, and I will do what? Catch you on the flip side.